Every hoof house has technical components carefully working together, making life especially easy and comfortable. What's important for us as people is also significant for complex control systems, harmony and unison. All aspects of the Hoffachwerkhaus 2009 ensure that the house is heated and air-conditioned to technical perfection, both economically and ecologically. Such a balance of energy which meets both the demands of the highest energy standards and neutral CO2 values, as well as providing optimum insulation, is impressive. Hoofhaus and its clients take on the challenges of climate and environment even for generously proportioned homes. An independent solar energy system provides freedom from limited fossil fuels and avoids rising energy costs in a responsible way. This house exploits effectively the sheer unlimited power of the sun. An integrated photovoltaic roof system converts light energy from the sun into direct current. Silicone crystals in photovoltaic modules absorb radiation and generate an electric current. With the help of an inverter, the direct current is converted into alternating current, which is then fed into the grid. In addition, high-performance solar collectors integrated in the roof supply large tanks with clean heat energy. A frost-proof and high heat-conducting solar fluid circulates through the collectors using almost 100% of the sun's rays and transferring the heat through an exchanger to the heating system. The heated water is stored in 2 highly insulated tanks and is available even when the sun isn't shining, for example at night or on overcast days. Both solar and photovoltaic systems are harmoniously integrated into the architecture of the house. This allows the new solar roof to combine ecological power production with demanding design, resulting in maximum efficiency without any visual compromises. An innovative solution keeping energy costs low and the environment clean. The sun's energy also serves the Hoffachwerkhaus 2009 in another way. Completely independent of ordinary fuels like oil or gas, instead an element is used which is literally on the doorstep: air. A modern air-water heat pump forms the central unit of heating and air conditioning for the whole house. It draws the natural heat energy out of the air and raises its temperature, even if outside temperatures are below zero. This system makes economical, environmentally friendly heating possible. A refrigerant circulates inside the heat pump, transferring energy from the environment to the heating system. The energy from the incoming air evaporates the refrigerant. It is led to a compressor, pressurized and thereby heated. This heat energy is transferred through a heat exchanger to the system. This process causes the gas to liquefy again. The expansion valve reduces the pressure significantly, thereby also reducing the temperature of the refrigerant. It returns to the evaporator and the cycle begins anew. This system makes a particularly economical and environmentally friendly heating possible. In this way, heating requirements can be met using 70% environmental energy and 30% electricity. Running costs are considerably lower than other heating systems. The hot water generated is stored in tanks and distributed to the heating surfaces in the house. The Hoffachwerkhaus 2008 is completely without any bulky radiators. Cooling and heating are carried out by dense underfloor pipes, developed especially for a heat pump concept. The heating is not visible, and the gentle and comfortable heat provided creates a particularly pleasant and healthy interior climate. In summer, the reversible heat pump works in exactly the opposite way, as a cooling agent. Cooling circuits are installed in the ceilings as well as the roof elements, and cool water flows through them in summer. The rising warm air is thereby cooled, and so refreshes the rooms. The underfloor heating can also be used for cooling. A controlled ventilation system serves to back up the cooling and heating system. This distributes fresh, warm or cool air to the rooms and removes used air. The fresh air flows through the ventilation channels, which are integrated into the floor, filtering out pollen and dust particles. At the same time, the air is drawn out of the rooms through another channel system. Therefore, return air ducts are installed in central places on the upper floor, as well as in the kitchen and bathrooms. This controlled humidifying and dehumidifying procedure creates a healthy room climate. A heat exchanger extracts the heat from the used air as it is being expelled and transfers it to the fresh air being drawn in. A ground heat collector backs up the system by also transferring heat to the incoming air. Using renewable energy, the air is therefore warmed in winter and cooled in summer. An intelligent system for an economical balance of energy. No matter whether it's heating, air conditioning, controlled ventilation or water supply, whilst becoming more effective, these basic components have also grown more technically complex. Hoffachwerkhaus 2008 offers a simple solution for operation. A large touch screen on the ground floor and a portable remote unit summarize and combine all the processes for easy operation. The operation screens allow easy access to all functions in the house. Lighting and room temperature can be programmed in advance or spontaneously updated. All information comes together here and is centrally controlled. The solar system, the heating, also the ventilation and air conditioning. Furthermore, with this technology, the following can also be controlled from anywhere in the house: the lighting, intercom, TV and audio systems. Both devices make it possible to monitor and control the technology in the entire house, keeping life with modern technology simple. All components of the Hoffachwerkhaus 2008 ensure easy management of the technology and that the house is economically and ecologically heated and air-conditioned for a unique lifestyle. Life in harmony.